Hello guys, we are going to draw the another 2D diagram in AutoCAD. So let's start this. So start drawing. We have classic window of AutoCAD 2019. So for this diagram, first take a point at a distance of 100, 100, which is 100 on x-axis and 100 on y-axis. So the point is located on here. So take a circle, that is first base circle, from this base point with the radius of 15, and take another circle from same base point with the radius of 30, and another circle with the same base point with the radius of both 15 and 30, that is 15 plus 30 by 2, that is 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5. So we have three circles, and take another circle with the same base point with an radius of 100, and another circle with our same base point, that is 90, another circle with the base from same base point, that is 80 with a radius of 80, another circle same base point, 7, not 70, it's more than 100, that is 110, and same circle with a radius of 120. So sorry, from the same base point the radius of 120 circle. So we having 5 outer circles and 3 inner circles, and take the axes for these circles. So I am taking axis, that is along x-axis, x and x dash y axis, and y and y axis dashes, and click on escape. So we have this is an x direction, y direction, x dash, y dash. So from this point we need 30 degrees on these sides. So take a line command from this point, from this midpoint, take this 120, the maximum the outer circle is 120, so with the length is 120, and with an angle, this is an 90 degrees, that is this is 0, 90, 90 plus 30 is 120, enter, and again enter. Similarly, take again line circle, line command from same base point, that is end point, with the same distance 120, and with the angle is 30, sorry, not 30, this is 0, so this is 30, this is 60. So from 60, 120 length with the angle 60 degrees. So again click on enter. So this is our a simple basic required diagram, and remaining all other things are this is unwanted, so trim this way. So for this, clean this, we are using trim tool. For this, type tr in command line. So we have trim command, and again click on enter, select all unwanted this. So these are all clean, these are select and enter, select and enter, select and enter. So these are all clean. So next, take an either arc command or semicircle, that is semicircle or semicircle is not possible at all the times. So take arc command arc, arc, click on enter, specify the starting point, that is point number 1, and click on C for the center, enter, that is center point is this, and click on another second end point, that is at 120. So we have one curve, and from similarly on this side also take same arc command, starting point, center for C, center point, and end point at 120. So, and for the second one, so similarly take again arc, starting point, center, center point, and end point. Similarly, and final one, starting point, center point, and end point. So we have this and basic. This is one of the basic. So I think it is very lengthy, but it is not. So if you don't need like this much of length, you can reduce. Instead of 120, you can take a 100 is the maximum. So the diagram will be is very small. So take again a line command from here to with a length of 15 at an angle of 0 degrees, and from straight line with a length of 50 and 90 degrees, enter. So we have more than this, so just delete this diagram, take extend command, select the object, click on enter, edges, extend. So this line we want to extend, so in another way you can just simply drag this into here. So I think it is not 15. So I will take move command and moving this is the base point, moving in this direction with a length of 5. So okay, this is enough, and extend, not, yeah, extend, I am select again, click on enter. So I am extending this edge, and I am crossing, sorry, not crossing, I am trimming this additional portion. Click on enter, take trim command 2 times, enter. So this is the line 1, and I am taking mirror command, select the object, select the first object and click on enter, base point, so, and rotate the width, and this is an yeah, this is the part. Now it is asking for erasing source object, no. So at here I am taking a circle with a base point not circle. Yeah, I am taking tan radius with the tan radius for from this line to this circle, which radius is 5. So I got 1. If you wanted more radius, then you can take also tan radius for circle command, tan radius, this line and this one. So I am taking with 10. So yeah, it looks like okay. From similarly, you can use mirror tool or also use an circle command. So circle tan radius, line, another circle with a radius of 10. Okay, and from here similarly circle command with a tan radius and select 1, select 2 with a radius of 20. Sorry, circle command tan radius, first tangent and second tangent with a radius of, I think 20 is enough. Actually it will taking inside the circles, so you want to give circle tan radius, tan that is 15. So yeah, this is good, because why we are 20 will not taking it means 20 is more than this, so the area is not enough for this 20 mm radius, so we are taking 15 is enough for this. So we are going to another one side, so that is same circle, enter tan radius, first tangential line, second tangential point with the 15 radius. Okay, now we are taking trim tool and trim, enter again 2 times, enter with a trimming excess portions, all the excess portions what we have, that is here 1 2 3 4 5, this side 5 and that side 5, and 6 7 8, totally 14 points I am trimming. So this is the one. So next we want to give the dimensions. We can also, okay, I will give the dimensions for this. For that we can simply select this linear dimensioners from this point to this point. So this is 100, and from this point to this point the length is 100, and for the circular one, for the diameters, this diameter is 60, the again diameter for this 45, again diameter this is 30. Okay, and diameter click on enter, select this, and diameter 240, diameter object 220, diameter enter 200, diameter enter 180 and diameter enter 160 and diameter enter, so this is 30. If you don't need diameter, you can also take radius of the circle, that is by using this tool. So here we are seeing arc of the circle, so that is radius, so it is in zigzag manner. So if you want straight line, so select this, so this is 15, so this is radius 15, this is diameter 30, and diameter radius in terms of radius, this is 10, and similarly this is also 10. Okay,